Curious Dolly. Welcome to my channel. In this video I would bring out some very interesting facts about crocodiles that many may not be aware of. If you like the content of my channel, please do subscribe, like and share my videos. Also please provide your valuable feedbacks in the comment box below. There are 23 different species of crocodiles that live on our planet and are mainly found in tropical areas throughout Africa, Asia, Australia, and America. The freshwater crocodile species are found only in Australia. Crocodiles are versatile amphibious reptiles and can live in a variety of environments. They are found in lake, rivers, freshwater bodies, salt and brackish water bodies, spending part of their time in water and part on land. Like most reptiles, crocodiles are cold-blooded. As a result, they have a very slow metabolism, which allows them to survive long periods without food. They can survive many months on a single large meal. They cannot generate heat on their own, hence prefer to reside in tropical areas near to water bodies. They occasionally goes into a long sleep, known as estivation, similar to hibernation, until the weather becomes warm. One of the fascinating facts about the crocodile species is in regard to their breeding. A female crocodile lays up to 60 eggs at a time. The temperature of the nest where the eggs are laid actually determines the sex of the baby. If the temperature is less than 32 degrees Celsius, the baby crocodiles will be female, and if it's above that, they will be male. They carry their babies to the water in their mouths. Baby crocodiles can make noises from inside their eggs before they hatch. The mother can hear their voices, then digs up the eggs from the sand, and takes the hatchlings to the water. Most of the young crocodiles, as per some sources around 99%, are eaten in their first year of life by other predators like lizards, other crocodiles, hyenas, and even fish. The first crocodile appeared around 250 million years ago. Yes, they coexisted with the now extinct dinosaurs and have survived the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. Studies point out that, during this apocalyptic event, freshwater, rivers and lakes were less impacted by the meteor. This helped the crocodiles survive, as their amphibious lifestyle let them roam the rivers to escape the land and sea disasters. The prehistoric ancestors of crocodiles were much bigger than today's counterparts. Saltwater crocodiles are the biggest reptiles in the world. They can grow up to 6.17 meters and can weigh more than a ton. Though most crocodile species are big, there is a species known as dwarf crocodile. The maximum recorded length for this species is 1.9 meters. One of the scariest crocodile facts is that they have the strongest bite ever measured. The strongest, saltwater crocodiles have a bite force of 16,460 newtons, which is nearly 3 times the bite force of a lion or tiger. Having said that, despite this enormous bite force, the muscles in their jaws are quite weak and incredibly sensitive to touch. A human can use his or her bare hands to keep a crocodile's mouth shut. Crocodiles have a very good night vision and are mostly nocturnal hunters. They have the most sophisticated heart in the animal kingdom, and actively change the destination of blood that flows through it depending on requirements. They possess a homing instinct and can find their way back home from long distances. In northern Australia, 3 rogue saltwater crocodiles were relocated 400 kilometers by helicopter, but returned to their original locations within 3 weeks, based on data obtained from tracking devices attached to them. Crocodiles have webbed feet, which allow them to make fast turns and sudden moves in the water or initiate swimming. They use their tails to propel them through the water and tuck their feet to the side while jetting through the water. Crocodiles cannot sweat. They do not have sweat glands and release heat through their mouths. They often sleep with their mouths open. They can keep their jaw open underwater as well. They have a valve at the back of their throat to help them achieve this. The diet amongst crocodiles differs greatly depending on whether they are confined or not. In captivity, the large reptile will usually eat already killed animals such as mice, fish, rats, etc. However, crocodiles in the wild will usually go for crustaceans, frogs, birds, deer, etc. Crocodiles actually eat their food without chewing. Their jaw operates in such a way that it cannot move sideways. Therefore they can't grind down on food in a traditional chewing motion. They will then swallow stones to aid them digest and break down the food inside their stomach. Crocodiles have an average lifespan of at least 30 to 40 years, and in the case of larger species an average of 60 to 70 years. There are claims of some individuals exceeding 100 years, but there is no strong evidence to support that. There's an age-old myth that crocodiles cry when devouring their prey. While the fact is that crocodiles have glands that can produce tears, however it cannot be technically considered crying while they feast. Whilst eating, the crocodile swallows too much air, which impacts their lacrimal gland that produces tears, and forces tears to flow. Neither crocodiles nor alligators eat their own babies. No crocodilian do that. Actually, crocodiles carrying their hatchlings to water was misconceived as them eating their own babies. Contrary to the common myth, crocodile skin on the back, and also alligator skin, is not bulletproof. It is absolutely wrong that one cannot outrun a crocodile and that they can run as fast as a racehorse. A racehorse can run faster than 40 miles per hour. Crocodiles cannot get anywhere near that fast on land. Their maximum speed is 12 miles per hour on land, and for a very short distance, around 20 to 25 meters, when they belly run, they usually go much slower than that, while walking on their legs, which is called the high walk. Their top speed is only 3 miles per hour. So, an average healthy human can easily outrun a crocodile. They do, however, accelerate very fast, thundering from 0 to 15 kilometers per hour in no time, both while swimming and running. Crocodiles are not dumb. While the brain of a crocodilian is fairly small, it is capable of greater learning than most reptiles. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video with another interesting subject. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for regular video updates.